Question number 1. Which case laid down the triple test for defining industry? Option A. Delhi Gymkhana case. Option B. Royal Talkies case. Option C. Bangalore water supply case. Option D. Montreal locomotive case. Question number 2. What is the first requirement of the triple test? Option A. Capital investment. Option B. Systematic activity. Option C. Profit motive. Option D. Religious service. Question number 3. Which activity is excluded from industry due to sovereign nature? Option A. Hotel services. Option B. Administrative justice. Option C. Educational coaching. Option D. Restaurant catering. Question number 4. What does the dominant nature test determine? Option A. Wage ceiling. Option B. Industry classification in mixed activities. Option C. Pension eligibility. Option D. PF contribution. Question number 5. Under the Factories Act, how many workers with power constitute a factory? Option A. 20. Option B. 10. Option C. 15. Option D. 5. Question number 6. Without power, how many workers define a factory under the Factories Act? Option A. 20. Option B. 5. Option C. 30. Option D. 25. Question number 7. Which case held that cooking in hotels amounts to manufacturing? Option A. GL Hotels case. Option B. Ghazi Nurul case. Option C. Birdhichand case. Option D. Hussain Bhai case. Question number 8. Which test examines employers' right to control the manner of work? Option A. Economic reality test. Option B. Organization test. Option C. Control test. Option D. Integration test. Question number 9. Which case first established the control test? Option A. Dharangadhra Chemical Works case. Option B. Air India case. Option C. Royal Talkies case. Option D. SK Maini case. Question number 10. Which test focuses on workers' economic dependence? Option A. Control test. Option B. Economic reality test. Option C. Risk test. Option D. Power test. Question number 11. Who is excluded from the definition of workman under IDA? Option A. Technical worker. Option B. Clerical worker. Option C. Managerial employee. Option D. Skilled worker. Question number 12. Which case held incidental clerical work does not make one a workman? Option A. Royal Talkies case. Option B. May and Baker case. Option C. Hussain Bhai case. Option D. GL Hotels case. Question number 13. Who is the principal employer in a factory under ESI Act? Option A. Contractor. Option B. Union leader. Option C. Owner-occupier. Option D. HR manager. Question number 14. Royal Talkies case dealt with which issue? Option A. Canteen workers as employees. Option B. Teachers as workmen. Option C. Pumping oil as manufacturing. Option D. Severability test. Question number 15. Which act adopts manufacturing definition from Factories Act? Option A. IDA. Option B. EPF Act. Option C. ESI Act. Option D. Gratuity Act. Question number 16. Which is a manufacturing process under Section 2(k)? Option A. Typing letters. Option B. Teaching students. Option C. Pumping oil. Option D. Driving. Question number 17. Which section allows government to extend ESI coverage? Option A. Section 1(5). Option B. Section 2(k). Option C. Section 46. Option D. Section 10. Question number 18. What is wage ceiling for supervisory exclusion under IDA? Option A. 5,000. Option B. 10,000. Option C. 20,000. Option D. 30,000. Question number 19. Which test checks whether worker is integral to organization? Option A. Economic test. Option B. Organization test. Option C. Control test. Option D. Power test. Question number 20. Which case involved teachers and definition of workman? Option A. Sundarambal case. Option B. Royal Talkies. Option C. GL Hotels. Option D. Dhazi Nurul. Question number 21. Which activity was held to not require transformation for manufacturing? Option A. Pumping fuel. Option B. Teaching. Option C. Typing. Option D. Driving. Question number 22. Which statute defines manufacturing in detail? Option A. Factories Act. Option B. IDA. Option C. Contract Labor Act. Option D. EPF Act. Question number 23. Which jurisdiction developed economic reality test? Option A. UK. Option B. India. Option C. US. Option D. Canada. Question number 24. Who administers EPF schemes? Option A. EPFO. Option B. ESIC. Option C. State government. Option D. Municipality. Question number 25. EPFO operates under which ministry? Option A. Home Ministry. Option B. Labor Ministry. Option C. Health Ministry. Option D. Finance Ministry. Question number 26. What is the primary purpose of EPF Act? Option A. Provide social security. Option B. Fix minimum wages. Option C. Define workman. Option D. Regulate disputes. Question number 27. Which authority conducts conciliation under IDA? Option A, civil court. Option B, conciliation officer. Option C, arbitrator. Option D, high court judge. Question number 28. Which body adjudicates industrial disputes? Option A, Industrial Tribunal. Option B, Income Tax Tribunal. Option C, Election Commission. Option D, Municipal Council. Question number 29. Which function is not an industry? Option A, Judicial functions. Option B, Hotel management. Option C, Educational institution. Option D, Club activities. Question number 30. Which case recognized economic reality test in India? Option A, Hussain Bhai case. Option B, Air India case. Option C, GL Hotels case. Option D, Shankar Balaji case. Question number 31. Which factor is part of economic reality test? Option A, workers' investment. Option B, workers' religion. Option C, employer profit. Option D, office location. Question number 32. Which is an excluded workplace under Factories Act? Option A, hotel. Option B, railway running shed. Option C, restaurant. Option D, power plant. Question number 33. What does Section 2(s) of IDA define? Option A, employee. Option B, industry. Option C, workman. Option D, factory. Question number 34. Which case held right to reject product as control? Option A, Birdhachand case. Option B, Hussain Bhai case. Option C, GL Hotels case. Option D, Montreal Locomotive case. Question number 35. Which test helps split activities into industry and non-industry? Option A, severability test. Option B, control test. Option C, power test. Option D, contract test. Question number 36. Which act covers establishments with 10 workers under manufacturing? Option A, ESI Act. Option B, EPF Act. Option C, OSHA Code. Option D, IDA. Question number 37. Which case declared use of LPG as use of power? Option A, Bombay Anand Bhavan case. Option B, Shankar Balaji case. Option C, Delhi University case. Option D, Birdhachand case. Question number 38. Which activity qualifies as manufacturing? Option A, cooking food. Option B, teaching. Option C, typing. Option D, driving taxis. Question number 39. What is considered under organization test? Option A, integration with core activity. Option B, salary level. Option C, education qualification. Option D, profit motive. Question number 40. Which case elaborated dominant nature test? Option A, Bangalore water supply case. Option B, Royal Talkies case. Option C, SK Many case. Option D, Hussain Bhai case. Question number 41. EPF Act applies to establishments employing how many persons? Option A, 10. Option B, 20. Option C, 30. Option D, 40. Question number 42. Who assists the EPF Central Board? Option A, EPFO. Option B, Trade Unions. Option C, CSR Department. Option D, State Police. Question number 43. Which act excludes seasonal factories? Option A, ESI Act. Option B, Factories Act. Option C, IDA. Option D, EPF Act. Question number 44. What is the aim of social welfare legislation interpretation? Option A, narrow approach. Option B, liberal approach. Option C, restrictive approach. Option D, monetary approach. Question number 45. Which case discussed pumping oil as manufacturing? Option A, Dhazi Nurul case. Option B, GL Hotels case. Option C, Royal Talkies case. Option D, Bildchand case. Question number 46. Which test was used in Shankar Balaji case? Option A, economic test. Option B, control test skepticism. Option C, power test. Option D, integration test. Question number 47. Which employee is not covered by ESI? Option A, army personnel. Option B, factory worker. Option C, clerk. Option D, salesman. Question number 48. Which is an ingredient of manufacturing? Option A, washing or cleaning. Option B, driving. Option C, supervising staff. Option D, scheduling meetings. Question number 49. Which authority appears in IDA machinery? Option A, Labor Court. Option B, Civil Court. Option C, Central Excise. Option D, GST Council. Question number 50. Which case held right to reject product as control? Option A, Bildchand case. Option B, Hussain Bhai case. Option C, GL Hotels case. Option D, Montreal Locomotive case.